Hello friends, welcome back to another Monday motivational video. Today I will tell you 12 laws of karma. Karma, karam, as you all know how it goes. Karam to sabke samne aane hi hai, like everyone says. But what are the laws of karma? The first is the great law. As you sow, so shall you reap. और द लॉ ऑफ कॉज एंड इफेक्ट, यानी कि जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी. जो भी करोगे वैसा ही सामने आएगा. वॉट वी पुट ऑन इन टू द यूनिवर्स इज वॉट कम्स बैक टू अस. Secondly, the law of creation. You attract what you are, not what you want. Always remember this. Be what you want to have in your life and you will create the life you want. जैसे आप हो वैसी ही चीजें आप attract करोगे. See, very simple. If you do bad, you can't attract good. If you did attract good, it will only stay with you for temporary times or a temporary period. बुरे हो तो बुरे को ही attract करोगे, अच्छे हो तो अच्छा ही आपके पास आएगा. The third law, the law of humility. What you refuse to accept will continue for you. If you see only the negative, we cannot focus on higher level of existence. तो जिस चीज पे ध्यान दोगे वही आएगा. Humility रखना बहुत बहुत जरूरी है. The next law is the law of growth. Wherever you go, there you are. See, for us to grow in spirit, it is we who must change, not the people, places or things around us. अगर वाकई में अपनी जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ना चाहते हो, grow करना चाहते हो, then make sure you invest on yourself. Don't bother about the people around you. They won't change ever. You will have to change. You will have to change your boundaries. You will have to set the boundaries for the people as you want to grow and not them. The next law is the law of responsibility. Now, whenever there is something wrong in my life, there is something wrong in me. Take the responsibility for what is in your life. This is utmost thing that if you took the responsibility for yourself, if you took your life into your hands, you can actually change your whole life. कुछ भी हो सकता है. It is not only wrong. अगर कुछ गलत मेरे साथ हुआ है, that means मुझ में कुछ गलत है. Maybe I am giving the people too much. Maybe I am pleasing them too much. Maybe I am letting them dominate too much. Or maybe I am letting them control my life. तो अपने अंदर का वो गलती ढूंढने की कोशिश करो एंड उससे बदलो एंड योर लाइफ विल चेंज ड्रास्टिकली. The law of connection. Everything in the universe is connected. Mark my words, everything. कहते हैं ना जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है, because everything is connected. एक incident, फिर दूसरा incident, the steps that happen in our life. Each step leads to the next and one step is not more important than the other. That means हर चीज, हर step, हर तरीके से जो चीजें हमारी लाइफ में होती हैं, every step has its own connection to the ultimate goal of our life, to the life we perceive, to the life we achieve. The next law is law of focus. Now you cannot think of two things at the same time. If we focus on higher values, lower thoughts like anger cannot enter. So एक चीज का ध्यान रखो कि अच्छा सोचोगे अच्छा आएगा. हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहने की कोशिश करोगे. I'm not saying that you will stay positive all the time. And again, positivity doesn't mean हंसते रहना, कोई प्रॉब्लम ना होना. एक चीज समझो कि प्रॉब्लम सबकी लाइफ में है, लेकिन हमें फोकस किस चीज पे करना है? सॉल्यूशन पे. अगर लोअर थॉट्स है, नेगेटिव थॉट्स हैं, तो हमें उनमें से निकल के पॉजिटिव चीजें सोचनी है, उन चीजों पे फोकस करना है, which brings happiness to the life. The law of giving and hospitality. If you believe in something to be true, then sometime in your life you will be called on to put that truth in practice. तो ये चीज को हमेशा याद रखो कि आप जो भी चीजें you will give, the hospitality that you will give, the love you will give, all those things will come back to you. The basic karma is this only कि आप अच्छा दोगे तभी तो अच्छा वापस आएगा, right? The law of here and now. Looking back to examine what was prevents us from being totally in the present. Past को छोड़ दो, past के बारे में सोचना छोड़ दो. Maybe there could be karmic relationships with you, karmic connections in your past. Let them be. They will face their karma. They will have to face their karma. We all face our karma in one way or the other. The law of change. History repeats itself until we learn the lessons that we need to learn in order to change our path. This was something that really hit me, and this is very, very true. They say you keep on meeting the karmic partners till the time you don't break the chain, till the time you don't completely heal from your past. So remember that history will not stop itself from repeating till the time you will not break that chain, till the time you'll not let your body, let your mind heal itself, and then you can move forward. The law of patience and reward. All rewards require initial toil, that effort to get what you want to get. True joy follows doing what we are supposed to be doing and waiting for the reward to come. You will have to wait, and trust me, the rewards will be there. And the last law is that the law of significance and inspiration. You get back from something whatever you have put into it. The value of something is equal to the energy and intent put into it. अब आप बोलते हो कि when we say that you sow what you reap, ठीक है, जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी, जो बीजोगे वही काटोगे. There are many phrases which are used for a particular word karma, right? But what is the main thing is that जो intent आप आज में डालोगे, जो आपकी मेजर इंटेंशन है, जिस एनर्जी के साथ आप अपनी जिंदगी को लीड करते हो, अगर आप में बहुत ज्यादा एटीट्यूड की एनर्जी है या आप लोगों के साथ गलत करते हो, तो दैट विल कम बैक टू यू, इफ नॉट नाउ मे बी एट अ लेटर स्टेज, राइट? तो ये सारी चीजें बहुत ज्यादा इंटरकनेक्टेड होती हैं, तभी कहते हैं ना कि दुनिया गोल है. सो बी रेडी. अच्छा किया है तो इट विल कम बैक टू यू सूनर और लेटर, और बुरा किया है तो देन ऑल्सो इट विल कम बैक टू यू सूनर और लेटर. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye-bye.